one in Roblox. You're supposed to have to go to teleport minion, and then you can have to go there. But first you have to go look to the page of Gaming Roblox. You have to rank this and you can this. Actually, you have to do what I have to learn this. You don't need to use this or this. Just only you or me. I guess I was supposed to think that I was thinking like this. I don't think like this. That is why you have to decide. Yeah, this is right. Looks like the Mario screen. So also, I come here. Okay, let's start the play now. And then you have to because I clicked so many times. Fell down, you actually can move and you can jump. If you still stuck, you have to go exit the map. Leo, just push me. Please don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Please don't touch me. Midley, I found way of secret. I'm using real. Dude, I need to push you, but little buddy. Hey, do you want the trophy? Join the OK group to get the sign. This is great sign. This is what is good, right? You can tip whatever you want. You have to join this group to learn it. Right. So also, normal girl, Spencer, maybe that's even invisible, but not that Roblox text. Maybe that's for hideous paint on this app store. take a photo, Nina. Do you know why? Huh? What are you doing? Also, you can do it ever you want. That is why you can do it. Okay, Leo. It's Trumpy. Let's take a photo. 3, 2, 1, cheese! Also, that's great photo on Roblox. This one and this one. Maybe that's even a great average job. Okay, this is our video. See you next time. But I need to do the anthem one. Freeze. Bruh. What about go in the water? You're supposed to click there. You're 2 hours, Dana. The fourth down. Sure. Oh my god! Wow! You can see that, guys. Okay, this is Anthony. I'll see you next time. Bye!